Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Groundbreaking Robotic Surgery Alzheimer's blood test. 7 of the biggest medical breakthroughs in 2025, a patient with ALS became the first person to control an iPad entirely by thought using an implantable brain-computer interface, BCI, device. The first oral pill for obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, showed positive results in a late-stage clinical trial, potentially providing a new treatment option. The FDA approved a novel non-opioid pain medication called Journavx, the first of its kind in over 20 years, providing an alternative to highly addictive opioids. Scientists discovered immune reactions that explain why gene-edited pig kidneys are often rejected in transplant patients, paving the way for more successful xenotransplantation. The FDA cleared the first blood test to help diagnose Alzheimer's disease, allowing for quicker and less invasive diagnosis. A patient in Angola underwent prostate cancer surgery performed by a doctor 7,000 miles away in Florida using groundbreaking remote robotic surgery technology. A baby with a rare and deadly metabolic disorder received a personalized gene editing treatment, the first of its kind, which saved the baby's life. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.